What is up, guys? JaretCampisi with the beautiful Christina K and the little one Alexander Hamilton Petrovsky. Welcome back to the channel. Today is a really exciting video because we're actually going to be giving the $50,000 Custom Xdiavel to the winner of the Custom Xdiavel series. Ruben is meeting us. He came all the way down from Palladia? Is that how you say it? Planada, California. Never heard of it, but apparently it exists.
It's north of Fresno.
North of Fresno.
Like 5 hours away.
Yep, he came, I believe, with his cousin. He also brought his S1000RR in a truck to put the Xdiavel in. We're gonna go for a ride. I'm also gonna be chatting with the second grand prize winner. We're gonna find out what bike he's gonna have me buy for him over in the Netherlands? In the Netherlands, yes. So a lot of stuff going on. I'm super excited. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. All right, guys, so I'm here with the winner of the Xdiavel, Ruben. He brought his cousin along with him and his little son, Lincoln, and I'm sorry, Javier, his cousin, his little son, Lincoln. We're gonna go inside, show him the bike for the first time, see what he thinks, then we're gonna take it out for a ride. Did you bring the S1000?
No.
Oh, okay. So it's just gonna be you and I? Okay, no worries. So we're gonna go for a ride, just a short little ride and let him get on his way because they're gonna have a long trip back. But I'm super excited to see what you think in person. Let's go take a look. All right, Santa Barbara Ducati. Let's go in and see this beast. There it is, dude. There's your new motorcycle. So if you guys didn't see the original video where we chose the winner and we talked to Ruben for the first time, he mentioned that he's gonna be, there he is, there's your keys, brother. He mentioned he's gonna be giving this bike to his father and he's gonna be surprising him with it probably later this week or something like that. So we'll have to get the follow up, see what your pops thinks. But there it is, man. $50,000 full custom Ducati Xdiavel with that beautiful custom tank, one of a kind, and you'll get to ride this beast. What do you think of it?
I love it, dude.
How does it look in person compared to like on the videos?
It looks more meatier.
Meatier?
More power. Like, for some reason to me it seems smaller. Right?
Yeah, it has quite a stance to it. You want to sit on it once? See what you think? Lincoln likes the classified moto bike. Isn't it? Super comfortable. Wait until you see how well it handles, dude.
It's usually bikes that are like center heavy, the tires, you know, they wobble a lot.
Yeah.
But
They did such a good job with the stance of the bike. What do you think, Javier?
That looks nice.
It's pretty sick, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it is a keyless bike, so you have the key there in your hand. All you need to do is have that key in your pocket, and then if you come up to here, this is how it all works. So this is your kill switch, just like normal. The only thing that's different is you just press this button, and as long as you're close enough to the bike, there you go. It'll turn it on. And then from there, all you do is press this button and it'll turn it on. You can go ahead and turn it on if you want. Just hold it down. It's ridiculous, right? She's a beast, huh? And then you got your daytime running lights up here. You can see your turn signals are all built in. We got those on the forks for you. Yeah, it's a beautiful bike, man. You're gonna love it, and your pops is gonna love it. So Ruben has an S1000RR 2017 in that gray and black paint scheme. I actually did a review on one of those, a first riding review. Loved that bike, dude. Great choice. They're gonna look really good together, dude. They're gonna match, you and your pops. It's gonna be awesome. All right, so along with the bike, he's gonna get all of the important stock parts, including that big honking exhaust, just in case you have any problems registering it, but I'm sure you'll be fine. I gave him a bunch of t-shirts from my company, JaretCampisi. You have your stock like fender, the back seat if you ever want to put someone on the back seat, and then you even got your mirrors, your CRG bar end mirrors, and then other things, I don't even know what, oh, that's the stock seat, back seat, and then registration and all that, which I'm gonna sign for you right now. So you got all kinds of goodies in here, and I think there might be baffles for the exhaust in here as well. So Ruben was just telling me when he's gonna surprise his dad with the bike because it's his birthday coming up on August 14th, and then a few days later he's actually gonna surprise him with the bike on his birthday, or close to his birthday. So that's gonna be incredible. He's gonna have to keep us posted on how it goes. Maybe take a picture with their pops sitting on it. Yeah, absolutely. So I'm so excited. We're gonna gear up, hop on these bikes, and go for a ride and see what he thinks of this bad boy. Stay tuned. So if you guys are new to the channel and you have no idea what's going on right now, we give away custom motorcycles here on this channel, and we're able to do that through a website called Patreon. Anybody who supports the projects over on Patreon is entered to win them when they're done. And that's how Ruben got this beautiful $50,000 Custom Xdiavel. This is the next bike we're gonna be customizing and giving away. It's a 2018 Aprilia Tuono 1100 V4 factory. And it's gonna be just as amazing as that bike. So if you're interested, check out the Patreon page. Always the first link in the description below. Let's start these beasts up. Dude, you look so good on that thing.
It's just a little nerve-wracking right now because it's like, yeah, I don't want to do nothing to fucking...
it's only 50,000, you know?
Yeah.
It's no big deal. What's up, Chris? Yeah, dude. I got more looks on this bike than any other bike I've ever done. People love that bike, dude. There we go. Nice, man.
I love that sound, man.
Isn't it so good? It's like a muscle bike, dude. Wait until we take it through some curves and you feel how light it is. That's the part that blew my mind, dude. It handles really well. You can keep up with sport bikes with that thing, dude. And 0 to like 100, you can beat anything. Because the wheelbase is so long, it's insane, dude, how fast that thing is.
I was reading up on it a lot more and I was like, realized, I was like, dude, a lot of people were saying that it beats sport bikes off the line.
Yep, dude, there's people who drag race that at the quarter mile, doing 10/8s in stock form. It's ridiculous. Isn't the torque insane?
Yeah.
It's so out of control. Yeah, Ruben was telling me, like, when he got the email, he almost deleted it because it was in his spam folder, and he was like, wait, hold on, let me take a look at this. And he was like, wait a minute, I won something? And he said he was in pretty disbelief for a while, right, for a few days.
Yeah. It didn't seem like real.
I totally understand. Here, get up here next to me so we can just keep a look at you on that badass. Oh yeah. Ruben's gonna try some twisties on the Xdiavel for the first time, and this is literally where I was like so surprised by how well this bike handles. And obviously he's gonna take it easy because this is the first time he's ridden this bike before. What do you think?
It handles good.
It's wild, right?
Yeah.
It's like, how does it lean over that well?
Oh, almost like a sport bike, man.
Yeah, it's crazy. I can roll through canyons with my sport bike friends and keep up with them. It doesn't make any sense. And you don't even have to move your seating position. Yeah, dude, you lean that thing nice.
I was trying not to.
When you got that big back tire, it makes me like so confident, you know? Oh, dude, I can't get over how good you look on that thing. What a surreal experience. Yeah, so we'll go left. If you want to give it a little throttle, you can. Isn't that nasty? All right, so now that Ruben's had a few minutes to ride the beast, what do you think, bud?
I love it, man. I kind of don't even want to give it away anymore, but
see, I told you, man. Yeah, what do you think about the handling?
It's a lot different from what I'm used to, but I like it, man. It's making me want to consider getting one of these now.
Told you, dude.
Yeah.
For everyday riding on the streets, it makes so much more sense than a crazy sport bike, you know?
Yeah.
Because you can have a lot more fun at low speeds on that thing, because every time you twist the throttle, you get that instant torque and power.
Yeah.
And then, what do you think about the riding position?
Well, my feet, that's probably the thing I'm most uncomfortable with.
Yeah.
But, man, it's still, I mean, you get used to it right away.
Yeah.
It's not something that,
It happens quick.
Yeah.
It took me like a week, and then it was just second nature, you know?
Yeah.
But yeah, man, you look freaking good on that bike. So I think we're gonna head back to the Ducati dealer. We'll load up the bike for Ruben and let him get on his way. But I just want to say thank you, man, for supporting the series, for making stuff like this possible. And I'm really excited that you're gonna give it to your dad. I think that's just so freaking perfect. And you'll get to ride it for a few weeks in the meantime, and whenever the hell you want, right, in the future.
Yeah.
So yeah, man.
Thank you for putting out the content, man. And everybody that says Jaret's not legit, It's 100, man. 100%.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. We got to check out Chris on his badass 1198S Tricolore. Look at him. Woo-wee. Hell yeah, I love that bike. That was one of my dream bikes back in the day. Still a beautiful bike today too.
Loading up the Xdiavel, saying goodbye. Got the whole crew to help. How many guys does it take to get that bike in the back of that truck? Four guys and a kid. That's how much. Right, Alex?
That's such a big bike.
Barely fits. Barely.
Oh, that's a huge bike.
Sorry, there's kids around. All right, the boys are off.
Yeah,
There they go, saying goodbye to that beautiful Xdiavel. So sad. Luckily, we got that Tuono over there to hold us over, and I think I'm actually gonna be making a purchase this week, so stay tuned, guys. You guys gonna miss that bike?
Yeah.
Look at everyone just staring at it.
So beautiful.
That thing turned out really good. It kind of makes me want to buy one, but I think we're gonna buy something even better for myself. So stay tuned. Let's go find out what the second Grand Place winner is gonna buy for his bike. We're chatting with him tonight, so
Tonight, late at night,
let's-
Netherlands time.
let's just jump straight to the nighttime. You guys ready? Here we go. All right, what is up, guys? It is Sunday night right now. It's like 9 o'clock at night or 10 o'clock at night. We finally got confirmation from the second grand prize winner, Rick, who is in the Netherlands. I think it's like 7 in the morning or something right now. But this is pretty much the only time we can chat where our time overlaps where one of us isn't sleeping. So we're gonna get him on the phone and get his reaction. Let's see how it goes.
Like this?
There we go.
Wow.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Good work.
Hello.
What's up, man?
That's good. Fine. You?
I'm good. I'm good. I know it's early there. What are you getting up for work or what?
Well, I'm a volunteer at some kind of festival for children. We do lots of activities with them for children who cannot go on vacation like that with parents if they do not have a lot of money. So they come here and we do a lot of activities with them.
Very nice, man. That's awesome.
I'm sorry for my bad English. I'm not as good at it.
No, you sound great. So, yeah, I wanted to call and talk to you because, as you know, we had 3 winners for our Custom Xdiavel series.
Yeah.
And so we had, you know, a third place that was a cash prize. We had a second place, which was a $15,000 bike of your choice prize. And then we had a first place prize, which was the Custom Xdiavel.
Mm-hmm.
So, unfortunately, you did not win the Custom Xdiavel. That
I know.
Yeah, that had to stay in the U.S. And and you didn't win third place. So you actually won $15,000, brother, to put towards a bike of your choice.
No way, man.
Yep.
That's awesome. That's really awesome.
Yeah. Yeah. Good. Good. Yeah.
Nice.
I'm
Nice.
excited for you. Do you have any sort of idea what bike you might want to get?
Well, I always wanted my dream bike, the Diavel.
Yes.
It is. It is. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. That's awesome. So, are you gonna get the regular Diavel or the Xdiavel?
I think the regular.
Yeah, the regular one. Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sweet. Yeah, they just came out with a new Diavel 1260 as well. Did you see that one?
Oh man, that's awesome. That bike is my dream bike.
Yeah.
Yeah. No way, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
I can't believe it. I really
Yeah.
can't believe it.
Yeah, well, it's my way of saying thanks for supporting what we do, man. We really appreciate it. We couldn't do what we do without people like you supporting the series, man. And it sounds like you're a good person doing things for kids and charity. And it sounds like it couldn't have gone to a better person, man.
It's nice to hear that.
Yeah. Have you,
I'm really happy. I'm right now the happiest man alive. I am.
that's what I like to hear. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, huh?
Yes, it is 7. Yeah.
And do you have any experience riding?
Well, I got my driver's license about 4 years ago. Right now, I couldn't riding Monster.
Oh, nice. Which one did you have?
796.
Nice, dude. I love that bike.
Yeah.
Well, you're gonna have a big brother to go with it now, buddy.
Yeah.
Well, I think that's about all we needed for the video. I appreciate you taking the time to FaceTime with us, and again, thank you so much for supporting what we do, and good luck on your Diavel, man.
Yeah, man. Thank you. Thanks a lot, 1,000 times.
Yeah, absolutely, man. So there you go, guys. Finally caught up with the second grand prize winner, Rick from the Netherlands, and he chose the new Xdiavel 1260 as his bike of choice. Hell of a choice, brother. Very, very happy with that. And congrats on your new motorcycle. I'll be working with his local dealer to make sure that he gets that bike over the next week or two. And obviously congrats to Ruben on his new Xdiavel that he's going to be giving to his father as well. And craziness, man. So huge thank you to everybody who watches my videos, to all the patrons that support these projects. If you guys would like to be entered to win beautiful custom motorcycles, check out the Patreon page. It's always the first link in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, turn that bell on so you always get notifications, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.